going to make a dessert called apple crumble. For the crumble, we need 3 medium apples, some golden caster sugar to mix in, 175 grams of plain flour, 110 grams of sugar, 110 grams of cold butter, and a bowl, some scales, and a nice sharp knife. We preheat the oven to 170 degrees. Then we peel the apples and cut them like so and take the core out. We then make them into small thin slices and put them in a bowl with the sugar. In another bowl we mix the flour, the butter and the sugar and crumble it with our fingers until it's nice and soft but crumbly. We put that over the apples. Then we put the dish in the oven for about 35 minutes. When it's ready, check with a knife to see if the apples are soft. If they are, serve it, dish out, and add cream or custard if you like. Enjoy!